Welcome back to the channel. Well, down here at Ross Performance, figured I'd give you guys an update on what's going on with the build. And oh, might have an even better update. Let's see. Well, in the meantime, as we find out if we're gonna have a better update. Truck's right over here. Trans is out. We're building up the trans. Hopefully there are new power adders in this truck. Could be. Nope. I don't know. He looks a little empty-handed, so maybe not. But either way, we're waiting to put our new power adder on. Waiting to.
Like 145, 150 pounds.
How heavy is it?
145 pounds.
It sounds like that might be us. You think that's us? I don't know. I was gonna back that up, huh? Oh, I was gonna just put it on the back of the bed for now. Oh. Cut! Cut! Let's go see. Undertaker. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh. Shit, I think it's open at the back.
Oh, oh.
What do you want? Put it right back in the truck. Oh, That's it? That's it? No, that's it. Thank you.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Got the blade on you? See what we can do here. Oh. Who needs Christmas? You order car parts all year round. You know? Does feel reminiscent of that Christmas morning feeling, though. You know, when you looked at some of those packages, like the bike or something like that, where you kind of knew already what it was. Oh, baby. So. How would you do that? No. Oh, baby. Oh. Woo. Big boy. I see a big boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Those nice size coolant lines on there. Yeah, she's definitely a big boy. 3 liter. She's sexy. I guess there's gonna be some power. Now what you guys making? Horsepower. Fuck that. Make it dinosaur power. Dino power. Some supernatural power. Feel happy. I feel happy, yes. Jesus. Size of that bad boy. It's like you knew it was bigger, but shit.
Yeah,
How much heavier it feel compared to the 2.9?
That motherfucker heavy. I need a hand with this bitch. The other one, I can muster that up. This one here, she got some weight. Yes, some boss.
Oh man. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Fun. Fun is about to begin. Well, as we were giving an update, there's the most recent update. So yeah, we're getting ready. Getting ready to party. She needs a bath. About to clean the engine bay out before we start adding that in. 2020 season is upon us. We got the Demonology event coming up, Texas. Got a few good trucks we want to run out there. Shout out to Mexico Racing League. They got Brian's got a nice little twin turbo F-150. Be real nice if he can bring that out to the Motorplex on the 7th for the big showdown. Boosted F-150 versus Mexico Racing League. Who wants to see that? That's your official call out for the record, Brian. Bring it out. Let's go. That is a thing of beauty. Well, here's your update. We are going Whipple. We stay Whipple. And as we proceed over these next 2 days, you'll get a couple more updates on a few other things that are going on as well. I'll give you a little sneak preview. Why not, right? Got you guys on here already. We have a few toys, courtesy of Vass. Yes, know that. But yes, we will be going with a full suspension. That's meant more for racing as opposed to just looks. So our buddies over at Vass sent us over some stuff. And of course, we got the man with the wrenches in the game plan right here. Then the man behind the keyboard right there. Then me, I just drive. But that's your quick update on what's the status of the Undertaker. She, however you want to view her, it's getting ready. So we'll be in Texas March 7th for the big showdown. YouTube call out. Hopefully we'll have a lot of nice trucks in that class. And we'll go after a few of those cars just the same. But yeah. Let's go. Boosted F-150 out. Well, I want to give a real big shout out to Dustin, Mike, and Nick over at Whipple. Very nice piece. Very nice piece. We're looking to set some records and have some fun this year. Thanks again to you guys for getting this out to me, and let's go.